Good morning guys, today February 6, 2025. Now you can see here that people are taking pictures with their behind empowered consumerism. So as a sign of remembrance of today, for that will serve as a token of yesterday in times of their success. Looking back how years after years of doing hard works, looking back how the life differs when you are connected or involved with this business, kind of business, online business about insurances, wherein his stronghold company is behind. One of the leading insurance company. So the audience are now taking actions. This one have already completed his orientation from negative to positive mindset, waiting for an exact opportunity to start his own business, leveraging business, where it changed the life of a certain individual. That is how, if you want to join, just contact me. This stronghold insurances have many already benefited this one. You may asking why? This one are the people who are enjoyed their benefits, but they suffered because of the accident. Even uniform men, they applied and become a member of this online business. You see that one? Uniform man receiving 73,067 claim because he was injured during and after the fights. This one is a driver wherein claim his benefits, insurance. And this lady also meet her incident, his accident. So he also received. So contact me and see you there. Bye.